Alright everyone, so in this Ed puzzle today, we're going to be looking at gravitational potential energy. So we're going to explore what variables affect your gravitational potential energy. So before we get started, in your groups, why don't you go ahead and talk about what do you think will change gravitational potential energy? In other words, the energy something has when it's dropped. Alright, so first we're going to look at height. We're going to see what happens if we drop the same weight. So this weight is changing, it's not changing, it's an 8-pound weight. We're going to drop it from different heights and see how height affects our energy. It's going to take energy to crush or smash this can. So use that as your evidence. How much does the can get crushed depending on the height? So here we go from a low height. Let's find out. You can see the can didn't get crushed at all. Now I'm going to try to drop the same weight from a higher height. Hopefully I don't miss the can. We'll see what happens. It's a good shot. I'll miss on my first attempt. Or not. So you can see that can, the height, more height gave it a lot more energy. The can exploded when it hit it. Alright, so now we're going to see what happens when you change the weight of things. So think about it, answer the question, what you think will happen if I use a heavier weight. But for this experiment, we're going to drop two different weights. One's 8 pounds, one's 20 pounds. We're going to drop them from the same height and see how it affects the energy. Alright, so same height, here comes the 8-pound weight. Can did not explode. I'm not changing my height, and here comes 20 pounds. You can see that can exploded. The 20-pound weight must have had a lot more energy to blow up that can like that. Alright, now we're going to do one last trial just for fun. We're going to do big weight and a big height. So you can see that one really exploded everywhere.